Range Rovers are all set to get affordable in India. ये चमत्कार कैसे हुआ? I'll tell you. So Jaguar Land Rover actually has a plant in Pune, Maharashtra, and वहाँ पे they actually assemble the Land Rover Discovery Sport, the Jaguar F-Pace, the Range Rover Velar, and the Range Rover Evoque. And joining these four SUVs will now be the flagship Range Rover and the Range Rover Sport. Now the flagship Range Rover has always been manufactured in the United Kingdom, and India is the first market outside of UK to actually manufacture or assemble the Range Rover. The locally assembled Range Rover will be available with the 3-liter petrol engine in the autobiography long wheelbase trim, and this engine makes 393 horsepower and 550 Newton meters of torque, while the diesel version will be powered by 3-liter 6-cylinder engine making around 350 horsepower and 700 Newton meters of torque, and this will be the HSE long wheelbase version. गाड़ी की प्राइस कितनी है? The petrol Range Rover 3-liter autobiography long wheelbase will now be priced at rupees 2.6 crore rupees only ex-showroom, while the diesel version will be priced at 2.36 crore ex-showroom. Of course, the prices are still high, but considerably lower than the older model. Now, apart from the ex-showroom price, you will of course have to pay for the insurance, the registration, all those charges, and if you opt for any optional features, तो उसका cost add हो जाएगा, but still the on-road prices will be massively lower than the older models. तो ये हो गए रेंज रोवर की बात. Now what about the Range Rover SUV, which is the most powerful and the most expensive Range Rover on sale in India? Well, that one won't be assembled over here. That will still be brought down to India via the completely built unit route, and which means the price of that model will be almost 5 crore rupees, just like before. Now talking about the smaller sibling, the Range Rover Sport, that will be offered again with the same 3-liter petrol and the same 3-liter diesel engine, and this will be offered in the dynamic SE variant. The power and the torque figures are shared with the Big Daddy Range Rover, but the Range Rover Sport is a little more dynamic to drive. Now you might be curious to know what will be the pricing of the updated Range Rover Sport. Well, the Range Rover Sport that will be assembled in India will be priced at 1.4 crore ex-showroom, which I think is value for money, and the pricing is much better than before. The on-road price could be somewhere in the vicinity of 1.8 to 1.9 CR, and that will make the Range Rover Sport a lot more accessible to people looking for an SUV in that segment, and sales are definitely going to shoot up. Thanks to this local assembly, the prices of the Range Rover have come down by 56 lakh rupees, and prices of the Range Rover Sport have come down by 29 lakh rupees. And इतने में आप कितना सारा पेट्रोल भर सकते हो गाड़ी को, और ऑप्शनल फीचर्स के साथ लोड कर सकते हो, आप रोड ट्रिप कर सकते हो. You can do whatever you want. Now you might be curious about one more thing. What about the most favorite Land Rover on sale, the Defender? Well, right now the Defender won't be assembled in India. It will be brought down via the CBU route, and the pricing is already quite value for money, from 1 crore to 3 crore rupees on road Mumbai. But if they actually start manufacturing or assembling the Defender over here, expect a price cut of 10-20%, and the Defender will become a lot more accessible. Imagine getting a Defender for 80-90 lakh rupees. I think 60 lakh रुपए की जो लोग Fortuner ले रहे, वो थोड़ा और डाल के Defender तो ले सकते हैं. And I think a lot of current SUV owners will also upgrade to the Defender, and I think sales will go just out of the roof at that time. So what do you guys think of this price cut? क्या आपको लगता है कि ये सेंस बनाता है? If you were in the market for a luxury SUV, which one would you buy? The Range Rover Sport, or the regular Range Rover, the Big Daddy, or any other competitor car? And do you want the Defender to be locally assembled in India? If yes, let me know in the comment section below.